namin kaninang umaga, hindi ko pa namin nababasa ng talagang malaliman dahil as you know, we were in the marking. But masabi ko lang is we will respond. We will formally respond to the manifestation.
Hinihiling nilang buksan na yung BIR box containing the tax records of the Vice President. Anyway, nasa marking naman na daw kayo ng documentary evidence. Would you allow that, sir?
We'll just wait na lang po, no, for our formal response. But I read the manifestation briefly. I think there are 3 or 4 points, no, that they manifested and are asking for it. We're very reasonable naman sa defense, but siguro I won't give any details right now. Let's wait na lang po for the formal response.
Sir, yung kalagayan nyo ngayon na hindi pa tapos, in any way will that affect the July 6 start of the trial?
Sa ngayon, hindi namin pa iniisip kung makaka-apekto kasi talagang ang priority po natin ay pabilis nga talaga. And today, I think, lalo pang napabilis, no? Because as we said yesterday, there were adjustments made, meaning yung Article 2, dalawa na yung marking station sila o dalawang groups na yung nagmamarka ng mga dokumento. So, I think sa kanila nga, medyo confident sila na matatapos sila by, I guess, tomorrow, matatapos na sila. So Article 1 naman, I was in the Article 1 marking. Mas mabilis kami this morning. We devise ways para mapabilis lalo yung marking. So talagang nagtatrabaho kami ngayon para umabot tayo at hindi masyadong ma-extend itong pre-trial conference. Hopefully matapos naman.
Pero mag-extend talaga siya ng 7, ma'am.
Tonight, ang abiso po sa amin is hanggang 7 p.m. Marking natin today.
Pero positive kayo, sir, na matatapos lahat by tomorrow?
By tomorrow, I cannot say, honestly. I cannot say, especially for Article 1, I cannot say. Dahil lang sa volume of documents talaga. As you heard, there are 4,000 documents on the side of the prosecution. Of course, there's the same number on the side of the defense. We're talking only about acknowledgement receipts, no? Meron pang mga main documents yan, reports, etc. So, marami po talagang dokumento. As I've been saying the past few days, I think both sides naman po are really looking to finish the pre-trial conference as soon as possible.